Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make 808 glide in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can access. You have your audio recorder right here and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with making 808 glide music in GarageBand. The first thing guys is we can go ahead and take a look at the pre-made loop. So we have two ways of going with this. The first option is to find something already pre-made and then edit based on that. So we're going to go into the live loop section right here in the upper left corner, and after opening it up you can see we can now find some pre-made loops right here such as DNB and so on, anything that might be of use to you. But what you want to do is to go ahead and open up the sound library option right here. This is where we can find all the packs we can use. As you can see, we have 8-bit legends guys, bit tape and so many other options that you can use that may be giving you what you need to get started with making your desired effects. So you can open up any of the packs right here and get started with editing them and getting your desired effect. As you can see, by tapping on it you can see how much it costs and so on to get started with it. But if you want to create it from scratch guys, then what you're going to do is go back to tracks and get started with editing with the instrument. So you know what you need to do guys. For your 808 glide, you're going to be using a keyboard, a drums and so on. So you want to open up the instruments one by one and start creating your tracks, tap on them, and this is going to open up the recording menu where at the top of the screen you have the big red circle to enable you to start recording. And after that, in the upper left corner here, we can click on edit mode to manage our tracks to get our desired sound effect and create our music. We can edit our tracks, master and so on. Basically guys, that is it, how to get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.